Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how you can add music to your Instagram notes. So before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. So the first step you simply need to do is to open Instagram application, and then you need to click on this icon on the top right. Here you need to click on plus icon on your note, and here you can see option for music. Click on that option and you can select any music from here that is for you. You can browse as well, and if you want you can search music on the top. So let me search for a random music. Okay, so here you can see that, and you can add that music as well by clicking on that music, and you can select the part of the music here, but keep in mind that you can only add 30 seconds, and after that you need to click on the tick mark and click on share on the top right. So this is the complete process by which you can add music to Instagram notes. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you, have a good day.